Joining us for an update is Headlines Today's National Affairs editor. Javed, also a couple of clarifications. Mr. Kejriwal also accepted that only a partial acceptance of his demands has been done by the Lieutenant Governor. He himself had said the bigger issue is the demand for full statehood of Delhi and also the control of the Delhi police. So has he called off this dharna only until the Republic Day celebrations? Will he do something like this again after that, pressing for those demands to be fulfilled?
I mean, you can place your bets that demand will certainly surface. It will resurface, maybe not immediately after 26 January, but closer to the Lok Sabha elections. That's the larger demand. This whole agitation, let's not kid ourselves, this whole agitation, dharna was not about those three cops. It was not about merely Delhi police. It was about, wresting control of Delhi police and also be pressurizing the centre into conceding this larger demand for the statehood of Delhi. And that is going to resurface come the Lok Sabha elections. Closer to the elections, the Aam Aadmi Party will be back again with this demand. They've got a talking point. I've always believed that this whole dharna, this agitation was not merely for errant policemen. It had a larger political purpose, and that political purpose was the statehood of Delhi and also control over Delhi police.
What are the kind of reactions you're getting from the police itself? Because the police commissioner in the afternoon had spoken very strongly when he had said there is no question of taking action against his men who had only adhered to the letter of law. After this action being taken, what happens to the entire argument of police reforms standing up to politicians who ask policemen to break the law?
Padmaja, as always happens in politics and in political agitations, there has to be there's a maximalist demand and then you concede. As far as the policemen are concerned, obviously this was done in consultation with the Home Minister, the Home Ministry, as well as the Lieutenant Governor. So therefore, whatever their grievances in private, publicly they will accept this. They have not been suspended, as was one of the demands made by the Aam Aadmi Party. They've merely been asked to go on leave, and this judicial inquiry that's been ordered, has been expedited. So that this has not been done entirely on the terms that the Aam Aadmi Party would have wanted it.